So this next program that I'm going to describe is one that I really wish was around when I started my first business. Here was the situation. I was making good money, but I was so busy running my business that I wasn't paying a close of attention as I should with my personal financial situations.
These are revolving line of credits, meaning once you take money and use it, it's not available to use anymore, but when it's paid off, it's available again. It's revolving. So line of credit from $6,000 to $100,000, typically, you take the funds out as needed. You only pay for the funds taken. So there's a weekly cost for the funds you've taken out. And as you pay back, the funds become available again, thus the revolving, just like a credit card. If you had a $10,000 credit card balance, you spend $5,000, you only have $5,000 balance. If you pay off that original $5,000, now you get $10,000 balance again. It's very same. That's a revolving credit card. Well, these are revolving lines of credit. Okay. Minimum qualifications. It's like our core rate preferred product. Got to be in business 2 years. Got to be doing 250,000 annual sales. Must have a business checking account. The owner's FICO score 675. Frequency deposit helps. Number of NSFs hurts. And average daily balance helps or hurts. So it's very similar to our core rate funding product. It's a hard product to get approved for, but most businesses who are brick and mortar, as long as they got that FICO score, are doing the sales to qualify for this. But certain industries, they just won't do it for, all right? The terms, it's a little different than our business funding. They base your repayment on 12 to 24 month terms. What does that mean? It's a line of credit, but you got to pay a minimum payment each week. They determine the payment based on, let's say you took money out. They're going to figure out how much you'd have to pay it off in 12 months or 24 months. And that becomes your weekly payment, okay? So, and sometimes it's only a 12-month term. Sometimes it's 24. Draw fees, $0 usually. Sometimes there's a draw fee, $20, something like that. But typically the draw fee is $0. There's no monthly fee on our products. This can all change. Sometimes the providers reserve the right to start charging. Right now, there's no monthly fee. Interest cost is approximately 96.96% weekly. What does that mean? That means, let's say if you took out $1,000 at 96% interest, you'd pay about $960 weekly, would be the interest charged. Interest. So you're going to pay $9.60 in interest per week until you pay that $1,000 off, right? But you have to pay part of the principal each week too. Remember, that's where we talked about that 12 or 24 month term. So let's say you're at the 12-month term. They'd say, okay, you're going to pay $1,000 off in 12 months. That would be, well, divided by 52. Just for simple math, let's just say it's $20 a week. Would pay it off in a year. Well, that wouldn't do it actually. $30 a week would pay it off in a year, but then there's the interest of $960 as well. So your payment would be about $39, let's just say, a week for a year, and you'd pay that off. Now, if you pay the $1,000 off tomorrow, you don't owe that $960 anymore. The repayment is set at the time of each draw for an auto weekly or monthly deduction to have paid off in the term length. So that weekly monthly payment is taken until the money is paid back.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.